Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to track deadlines using Google Sheets plus email alerts. So let's get started with the video. So I have a sheet here in which I have written the task, deadline and status. First, we need to make sure that how we can track the deadline. For this, we can use conditional formatting. First, we will choose the column B because the deadline is mentioned there. Go to format, conditional formatting. We have to add two rules over here. The first one, we will add in the format cell, we will choose if the date is today. So basically, if the date is today, that means we have a deadline over there, right? So we have to mark the color. We will choose this fill color option and mark it as red. We can choose color differences over here. I'll choose this one, it's better, and then click on done. Then we will add another rule which is basically for one which do not have the deadline. So we can go to the color scale and the one which do not have the deadline should have this color. We can choose it and then click on done. So basically, as you can see, the color which is nearer the deadline will be of light color, which is the deadline is far away, which will have the dark green color. So in this way you will get to know the deadline. You can track your deadline basically. Now once this has been created, if you want the email notification if anyone make the changes in this sheet or update it, how you can get it is you need to go to tools, notification settings, edit notification. Here under this you need to choose any changes are made, email right away, notify me with email right away, and then click on this save icon. Once you hit on the save icon, anyone that make the changes in your sheet update it, you will get a notification on your email ID. So this is how basically you can do this. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.